who is Danielle Victor? And I'm like, bitch, it's Danny with 2 N's. Am I a fashion blogger? Maybe. Am I a storyteller? For sure. Am I a badass bitch? Absolutely. So if you're smart, you'll subscribe to my channel.
How are you? Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. It has been a week that it has. Tomorrow's actually Caesar's birthday, but by the time this is uploaded, it will be Caesar's birthday. Happy birthday, baby! Happy birthday, baby! Bruno, get on the couch. Can you get on the couch, Bruno Bear? Bruno Bear. I got my IG back. 6 months with no IG, you guys, and I have it back. I will be putting a whole video on Wave of the entire process and how I eventually got it back sometime this week. But I did want to come on here and tell you that at the beginning of the week, I just had like a f***ing emotional breakdown. I cried like a lot at the beginning of the week. I thought maybe my period was coming because I was crying so much, and I was like, oh my gosh, like my period must be coming, but my period's actually not due for 9 days. And I know my titties and stuff start hurting about 9 days before my period, but usually I don't start crying till like 2 or 3 days before my period and then throughout my entire period. But this week I like was hysterical at night on Monday night, and then Tuesday night I was hysterical, and then Wednesday I got my page back, and although I was super excited, I just felt like I was so drained from crying so much at the top of the week that Wednesday and Thursday I was just so tired, and then Friday I was so tired. But I did want to come on here and explain to you guys that I filmed a true crime days ago on the Lululemon murder, and I was gonna edit it, but before I went to go edit it, I was like, let me take notes for my next true crime case. And when I pick a true crime case, I take the notebook where I write down the person that was suggested next to your emails. But in my head, I'll be like, number 10, and I'll count 10 down the list. And whatever is 10 down the list, I am doing that story next. And so the name that I landed on, which I'm gonna keep a secret for now, is an unsolved case. But it's like one of those unsolved cases where it's so fucked up and so insane that it almost seems like it's not real, like it's just the plot of some type of crazy movie. And so it took me 2.5 days, and I mean like 2.5 days, like a full-time job, 8 hours each day. On the half a day, it only took me like 2 days to finish the rest of my notes, but it took me 2.5 days to write notes on this case, which basically, oh, my puppies are fighting on the ground. Let's play nice with one another. Can we play nice? So basically Wednesday, Thursday, and half of Friday, I was taking notes. And by the time I was done taking notes, I didn't feel like editing a true crime because I was just like so by taking notes on a true crime. So my mistake was I started taking notes before I finished my true crime. And I'm still learning this whole process because true crime is new to me, but I also am not one of those true crime YouTubers that's doing it for views or to blow up and for popularity. I'm doing it because it interests me and I want to be able to tell the story in depth. I don't want it to just be like notes, the first notes that you find on Google. I just want to be that person that takes notes and actually like researches shit and maybe says something that nobody else has ever said before. Okay, I don't even know what I was just saying, but basically I take my true crime seriously, and I happen to get another unsolved case for my next one after the Lululemon murder. And unsolved cases take a very, very, very long time to research, so I wanted to let people know that are waiting for me to post my next true crime. On a week where it's an unsolved case like Faith Hedgepeth, where it possibly could be part 1 and part 2, and they take hours to research, maybe an hour or 2 or more to film, and then more hours to edit, I'm probably gonna only be uploading 1 true crime a week. If they are shorter crimes, open book, closed book, case closed type of cases, and they're shorter and don't take as much research or don't take as much time to edit, I will aim to do at least 2 a week. But I do want to let you guys know that on long cases, I take my time. I don't want to rush. I felt pressure to rush into the second part of Faith Hedgepeth, and when I did that, I ended up taking it down and doing it how I should have done it to begin with, and listening to you guys' advice because I want you guys to enjoy my videos. videos and then put it back out there. So instead of rushing or feeling the pressure, I'm just gonna go ahead and explain to you guys that I'm gonna do it at a pace that I'm comfortable with. It takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time for me to do my research. Like I'm an actual real life detective, which honestly at the end of the day I was thinking about it, I really should have been like a lawyer or a detective. Probably not a detective though, because like I could probably do like the paperwork and like put the pieces of the puzzle together, but as far as like holding a gun and like being like FBI and like kicking in someone's door, I can't picture myself doing that. Just don't picture myself doing that. Okay, again, I don't even know what I was just saying because my dogs were just getting too aggressive with each other. So yeah, so next up I will be editing the Lululemon murder, and then I will be filming and then editing this unsolved case. But this unsolved case took me 2.5 days to take notes on, and I know that filming is probably going to be well over an hour, and then editing is going to take me even longer than that. So Lululemon case will be top of this week, and hopefully the next true crime will be at the bottom of the week, but depending on how long they are, expect between 1 or 2 true crimes a week. Okay, you guys? All right. Also, I will start a Patreon. I just haven't had time. I feel like I haven't had time for anything. And also I wanted to do a little recap of Wave for anyone that hasn't subscribed to Gabby and I's Wave channel for more exclusive content like my old story times, makeup tutorials, shopping hauls, you name it. Link is in the description box. Subscribe now. ridethewave.com/thevictortwins/post. We do have a bunch of new videos up, so here is a couple of those videos. We had obviously Nighttime Diaries, and here is a clip.
Oh my goodness. It's the love of my life, I swear. I love you, baby. You could take a nap, baby. Get yourself a dog, okay? Dogs are the best thing ever. Guys, how do you get your curls back? Because my hair is straight. Like my curly hair is straight and then it just like waves at the bottom.
You have to shave your hair.
No, never happening. Like literally never happening. I'm obsessed with sweatpants from Pretty Little Thing. And I want them in every color. And that is the story. Gabby, here, say hello to the people. See you again. And they're so cute. I love them.
Yeah, those are cute.
For $600, they better be cute.
$600 is so much, and you can't just have your glasses case laying on the couch like that. Like, what if you jumped up and crushed them?
You're right. I'm so irresponsible with my glasses. Hi, everyone. Snow day.
Yeah, literally. We played the second of the 3 games that I bought off Amazon called What Is Your Attitude or something like that, and I actually like those games. I wish I had more of them, but here's a clip.
Living with the homies, somebody make us a jingle. Anyways, we're gonna do you have a fucking attitude? This is the second game.
I don't, but we'll see.
I do.
Your friend has pissed you off, but you hate face-to-face confrontation. How do you react? We don't.
Yeah, we don't hate face-to-face.
Yeah, but we'll just answer. Set up an ambush, like invite them over, and then when they're over, you're like, well, first and foremost.
See, for sure, set an ambush.
Number 11, barbecue ribs on a first date? Question mark.
Yes.
Can I read the answers? I'm gonna go with D.
Yeah.
And I'm peace the fuck out. Bye. Are you Beachbody ready?
No.
My phone is so cracked. And I still got a 7. 48. You're so bootleg. 48. Looking for to give is Danny's.
Yes.
You give so few. It's quite the achievement. Fuck it.
Yeah.
Say it louder. Fuck it. Louder. Fuck it. We had another nightly diaries where we just talk random vlog footage of us talking, which we didn't really get much of this week because obviously I was having a mental breakdown. But here's a clip.
I'm not a huge fan of playing in the snow, but you gotta do what you gotta do.
I just don't like being cold, like ever.
Me neither. I hate being cold. But wear a bra with a tank top like this. It's so trash.
I don't wear bras ever.
Yeah, but you don't have double D's.
But my tits are starting to sag to my belly button, y'all.
No.
They're starting to sag.
No, they're not.
They're
anyway,
starting to saggy.
No. So it looks like an item someone wore, must have gotten shit on it,
and returned it, and they reticketed it and sold it to me. I'm just saying, come on. We've got to do better, y'all. You should not be reselling items that are stained. We should not be doing that. It's 2021. Me and Gabby discussed the Bad Girls Club reunion or reboot cast before they actually announced the cast. And here's the clip. Back to our waving with the homies. Someone make us a jingle. I'm gonna say that every video. So someone's like, hey guys, check your email. There's a jingle in there. Can I get a drum roll, please? Let's see. People are saying that the cast is... First and foremost, I'm actually shocked that they got Megan and Seven to agree to the debacle.
They're coming out of pocket. She put up demands and they met them. So
good for her.
Yeah.
Well, you go.
You
girl.
know Megan ain't doing shit unless it's a bag.
Yeah.
So
It's Bad Girls Club. Shit ends up in the pool.
this is the Bad Girls Club. The Bad Girls Club. You slut.
Yeah. What?
Who is that? Jenny, are you serious? This is the Bad Girls Club. This is the Bad Girls Club, you slut.
Oh, Judy season.
No, Danny. Our season, Amy, was literally in the intro.
Oh yeah, Amy. Amy should fucking do the reboot. Oh, but I mean, for money you would.
Yeah,
they all
that
got
was
$1,000
for that. I know.
They all got $1,000. Dr. Evil.
Is this a $1?
And Megan and Seven are like $1 billion. Gabby and I had a little Valentine's Day staycation at Encore in Boston, which was really nice. Their beds at the hotel are fucking so uncomfortable, but the staycation was nice. And here is a clip. So excited. So excited right now. Alexa, shut the lights back off.
Okay.
This is fun. Hashtag vacation. Alexa, put the lights back on. Alexa. I made an attempt at doing Rihanna's makeup look in her Wild Thoughts video. LOL. Here is a clip. I'm not good at makeup, you guys. Just FYI. I am not a makeup artist. I am not a professional tutorist. I'll insert a picture of what she looked like in the video here. So I just want to have some fun and try to do this look. I put tape on the side of my eyes because I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. It's like painting a picture, but the picture is your face, your eyelids. Okay, wow, unbelievable. And the brush just broke. Guys, what's happening? Great. And then I'm gonna take off my tape. Whoa, tape really does make it look like, you know. Born This Way, it's also called Natural Beige. This is Rihanna, I hope I did her justice, and her Wild Thoughts. I did a shopping haul for Public Desire, which is for shoes, not clothes. I do the haul and I also show you guys how I styled the shoes. So it's kind of like what I bought / how I styled what I bought. And here's a clip. Welcome back to Wave. I'm gonna go ahead and do another haul for y'all. And I'm doing it from Public Desire. I've been getting shoes from Public Desire since I did Bad Girls Club. so basically over a decade. My first pair of heels is this boot. This brownish, tannish color boot with a black heel. And they're actually super, 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 super comfortable, shockingly. Because most heels are fucking not. Cinderella still looking for her prince, you know? So it's appropriate. I guess I would rather have worn these heels with something more elegant. Next up, I got some black Croc ankle boots. Who wouldn't want some black Croc boots? And this is what it ended up looking like. Pretty much an ankle bracelet around it. I thought the color was going to be a little bit more tan. This is really, really light. I mean, it could go with a lot, but I maybe would have wanted it to be tanner. I don't know. Thigh-high boots. They're called NYX, NYX, on the website, and they do go all the way up past your kneecap. I feel like you have to have the exact right outfit to pull this off. They're really wide at the ankle, so I could never wear this with a skirt or anything because my ankles are like non-existent. Did I love the outfit? No. Would I wear that outfit again? Probably not. That is the shoes that I got from Public Desire. You can shop their website too. I have shoes from Public Desire from 10 years ago that I still have. There's also 3 other videos on the channel, but Gabby didn't send me, there's 2 other videos on the channel, but Gabby forgot to send me the 1-minute clip to put on YouTube. So these are the thumbnails. She did a review on a really popular perfume on YouTube, I guess, by Perfume Enthusiast. I personally didn't like it, but you guys might love it. So that's on there. Also, she did a blind buy for another perfume, and I was actually in this video. So we both gave our opinions on this perfume. I don't have a clip for it. Also live on our Wave. And we have more videos coming this week. I do want to say that I'm heading back to LA soon, and with that being said, we're going to be concentrating more on getting as much content together as possible. So if we're posting a little bit less on Wave in the next couple of weeks, it's only because we're busy making great content for our Wave on top of obviously my true crime. So bear with us. We're just trying to get as much done as humanly possible. We are just 2 people. We are just 2 people. Anyways, guys, I am about to wipe off my makeup, take a shower, and cuddle with Caesar, who is telling me right now with his little whimpers, it's my birthday in a couple hours, mommy, let's cuddle. And I'm like, you're right. We're having a birthday party for them, so maybe we'll vlog that, put it on Wave. But I will be putting a video up with Gabby about my Instagram process. That will be out definitely sometime this week on Wave. It's been a week, you guys. Do I look tired? Actually, I look pretty good in this light, I'm not gonna lie to you. But I am. So good night. I love you all. Be safe. Have a great evening. Subscribe to our Wave. If you're new to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hopefully we'll have two new true crimes this week, but you guys all see how seriously I take it, because my last video, if I put in one video, would have been like almost 4 hours. So takes me some time, but there will be one at the top of the week on the Lululemon murder, and then an unsolved case. Good night.